Hi everybody, I want to share with you a quick tutorial on how to autofill dates in a Google spreadsheet. I think this works for other spreadsheets, Microsoft Office as well. And if you already know how to do this, stop now and carry on with your day. So here we go. I've opened a Google Sheet and I've titled it How to Autofill Dates. I want dates to go consecutively in column A because I want to set up a schedule for social media posts for the whole year, let's say. So I'm going to select column A, and then I need to first format the cells for numeric date format. So I'm going to go format, number, date, and I'm going to accept the default date format with the slashes there. And now what I have to do is type in two dates. So I'm going to type in today's date and tomorrow's date. And then I want those to continue on down the column. I need to select those two cells, and then I need to hover my mouse right over the bottom right there. And my cursor will turn into a little cross, and then I just drag down, and you'll see a very faint dotted line as you drag down. I've now gone down to cell A37, and I release, and poof, presto, I'm right up to December 14th automatically. Okay, maybe this was helpful to you. Thank you, and goodbye. Hi, everybody. Want to